but we could see that competitiveness even to the last minute.
Becking from Netherlands clinched the top spot in the elite race of the third edition of the Loop Safari Gravel Series. He clocked a remarkable time of 3 hours, 12 minutes, 59 seconds, while Lucas Baum from Germany and Chad Hager from USA secured the second and third positions respectively. Over 467 elite and recreational cyclists participated.
Loop, as I said earlier, we're not just about financial services. We start by asking ourselves, okay, how should the financial services serve our customer? And we took time to actually poll our customers, and they are trying to live better lives. They're trying to have healthier lifestyles. They're trying to have better wellness with their own financials. And so Loop is bringing that together. And so we teamed up with our partners, Amani, who have been great to bring cycling to the next level, to be able to attract international level athletes.
Initially, we had really big ideas about what we wanted to do with these events, but having Loop come on board, it was an accelerant, you know, and the scale of what we've managed to do, I think, is world class. I think it's pretty significant. This is the first UCI sanctioned event in the history of Kenya. So it's a big honor to have that here, and then, you know, for those top 25, both men and women who finished this race, they will be invited to participate in the UCI Gravel World Series held in Belgium in October.
Gareth Southgate's 3 Lions will be taking on Sabia as their bid to win